Hi guys, my name is Katya. I am a teacher of Russian. I used to teach students in Moscow University, but currently I am a Methodist and online tutor and a teacher and a blogger. Subscribe me in all the social networks and let's get started. But first you should recollect how many grammar genders we have in Russian language. Right, 3. Masculine, feminine and neutral. I hope you remember which endings you should use. For example, masculine gender, we do not use any ending at all because the word ends with consonant letter. For feminine gender, we should use ending a or ya. For neutral gender, we should use ending o and ye. Let's go back to our possessive pronouns. Now we are going to study pronouns which translated like my. We have mой, my, моя, my and моё. Same translation, but something you should remember. We should use мой with nouns of masculine gender. My cat. We should say мой кот. For feminine, we should use моя, моя мама, my mother. Моё we should use with the words of neutral gender, with the words which have ending о or е. For example, письмо, it means letter, and we can say моё письмо, my letter. Once again, мой for masculine, no ending, okay. Моя for feminine, ending a or я. Feminine nouns in Russian language have ending a or ya. And neutral, ending or ye. Now let's practice a little bit. For example, my aunt, моя тетя, тетя, ending я, feminine. My phone, мой телефон. My bag, моя сумка, my letter, письмо, моё письмо. And pay attention that I pronounce not моя, but моя. When O sound is not stressed in the word, we pronounce it like a. Моя, because я sound is stressed here, okay? Same with моё. Your in Russian language is always stressed letter, and we pronounce моё, not моё. Next group of pronouns. Your for masculine, твой,
Т, В, О и краткая.
твой, окей. Твоя. Same situation. We say not твоя, but твоя, because O is not stressed. Твое example, your friend. Friend, друг, masculine gender. Твой друг. Your bag, сумка. Твоя сумка. Your heart. Твое сердце. Now you already know 6 new words. Мой, моя, моё, твой, твоя, твоё. And one more set for today. Ваш. It also means your, but we use it in another situation, in different situation. For example, ваш is used in formal situation when I'm talking to professor, serious professor, okay, and I'm asking him, это ваш студент? Is it your student? I cannot say это твой студент because it will not be polite in this case. I should say это ваш студент, это ваша книга, okay? Or another situation when I'm talking to the group of people. For example, I see group of students, okay, and I see their teacher somewhere far. I will ask these students, студенты, это ваш преподаватель? Ваш, because it's a group of students. Let's say your house, ваш дом. Let's say your family. Family is семья, feminine gender. So we should say ваша семья. And your тело, neutral gender. Тело means body. Ваше тело. So remember, possessive pronouns for masculine gender: мой, твой, ваш. For feminine: моя, твоя, ваша. For neutral: моё, твоё, ваше. I wanted to stop here, but then I thought about why starting here, why not to learn all the possessive pronouns today. So let's continue. Next, our, also 3 forms. For masculine: наш. Absolutely same mechanism. Наш дом, our house. Наш друг, our friend. Наш кот, our cat. I will not write here, okay? For feminine: наша. Наша семья, наша сумка, our bag, наша мама, our mother. And for neutral: наше. It's easy to guess. Same. Наше письмо, our letter. My, мой, моя, моё. Your, твой, твоя, твоё. Your for formal or plural. Ваш, ваша, ваше. And our, наш, наша, наше. Okay, let's learn two more for today. Его, we write его, letter G, but we pronounce его. Instead of G, we pronounce V. His. And ее, her. In this case, gender of our noun does not matter. You can say его сумка, his bag, but его друг, his friend. Same with ее. You can say ее сестра, her sister, feminine gender, and you can also say ее телефон, her phone, masculine gender.